Okay, we are on our last and final method for division that we're going to show, and it's called the grid method. And you probably, it's starting out like a box. I'm sure you're probably like, oh, is that the box method for multiplication? It's not, but it is very, like I said, very similar to standard. It's just set up differently. It's a little bit shorter. Not there's no bringing down the number, and I think somehow that works in some of our students' brains, that for some reason it clicks with them. So we're going to start with the same problem. So 2,197 divided by 3. And I'm going to, when I'm setting up my boxes, I'm going to draw my lines next to the number because that gives me space for when I bring my number over. So you can see now why it's called a grid, because the box. So now I'm going to go ahead and do, so again, we're starting here with this 2. 2 cannot be divided into 3 groups. It just doesn't work. So I'm going to put my 0 right above it. So just as I did up here. So I'm going to put 0. Again, I'm multiplying, same step. 0 times 3 is 0. I'm going to subtract, and I have 2. Now, instead of bringing down my 1, this 2 is actually going to come up here now. So now it becomes 21. So 21 divided by 3, which we know is 7. 7 times 3 is 21. I subtract, and then again, I bring that 0 up here. So I have 9. 9 divided by 3, we know is 3. So 3 times 3 is 9. I bring my 0 up here. Now I have 7 divided by 3. Which was 2. So 2 times 3 is 6. And I'm left, then I don't have any other numbers here, so I'm left with a remainder of 1. So again, it's the same, it's literally the same process. The only difference is you're bringing that number up rather than down. And like I said, for some students, that's all it takes in order for it to click for them. Hopefully these 3 methods that we've shown, standard, partial, quotient, and grid method, make sense. Hopefully they click with you a little bit. And hopefully with your student, one of these methods stands out to them, and it really helps them to grow in confidence with their long division, because that seems to always be a heavy hitter, and definitely a math concept that isn't always easily understood by everybody. So hopefully one of these methods works, and then as always, if they don't, we'll try to use a different method to try to help the student understand the best way possible. So thank you.